Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We have here another BB. Oh, this actually is one of our customers. You've seen in our last video before. This is Trey's 22 BB. We did the color match and the STS spoiler and the T-Spec Aero kit. So he's back today for some very nice, this is a new product pretty much, our V1 Canards. They come in a set of 4s, so they go right to the side of the bumper. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Super easy. If you order this, you'll get a set of 4 Canards, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, and some hardware. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this and set this up. So let's go straight into it. We're gonna get these Canard liners. So what this does, you put these on the side of your Canards on the inside, and once you do so, you'll pretty much eliminate any gap on there. Well, there shouldn't be any gap anyways because these are made precisely just for the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these gloves off, you know, because making my life difficult. So I'm gonna go ahead and all I gotta do is, so there's 4 of them as you can see, 2 long ones, 2 short ones. Long ones for the big Canards and 2 small ones. What I gotta do is from the back, you peel.
Two hours later.
I don't have nails, okay? All right, we got it. Like any other Canards, this, you know, this is for the 22 WRX, but all the Canards are the same application. We just peel, and stick it in, just like that. Look at that. On the excess, you can just get your scissors, or you have a knife, whatever, and just trim it in, like so. Cover that. You trim a little bit more. Boom, just like that, okay? So you can do this you're gonna do this for all 4 of these. So now that I got my liner on, I'm just gonna put it on the side of the bumper. So with these Canards, there's some play, okay? So you can put it, not however you want, but the big one always goes on top. So you have some room to see where you can put it. So I would put it, you know, you can obviously put it a little higher, a little bit lower. So for us, I'm gonna have it somewhere right here for the top, and the bottom, somewhere right here. So you can adjust, you know, but you want it like symmetrical with each other. So something like that, you know. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks good there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do for the first side, which is, you know, the easier side, because you gotta measure on the other side. I'm gonna put it here, get a self-tapping screw, and then drill it through. Once I drill it through, I have the holes ready to go, and then I'll punch the holes and stick my hand through the back and bolt it on. So let's get started. All right guys, so we just drilled all these spots in, and then we're gonna go ahead and swap them out for these screws. So the reason we did this is to make your life easier. With the self-tapping screws that hold everything in place, now that your hole is there, you can take everything off and replace it with the stainless steel hardware. So looks super sick. Trey's gonna get our new front lip coming in. We have a polyurethane ABS lip, gloss black, that's gonna go under our splitter, so it's gonna look pretty sick, and he's gonna lower the car. So make sure to follow his build below, okay? I'm gonna put his Instagram tag below. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock these out, and then we're also gonna put on his front plate. I'm not sure what this means, but it probably means something like Oni-chan! Oni-chan! I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Alright guys, I have Trey here with our with his 22. Sorry.
Oh, I'm like, oh, what's up guys? How you doing?
So we just finished the Canards. Let us know what you think.
That's amazing, amazing. Oh.
So any other plans for the car?
Yes. Soon gonna lower it. Gonna get some wheels. Got to put a front lip on there too. Man, I got a lot more things I want to do. Eventually, I might switch to a GT wing. Gotta come back. We're gonna do some more paint matching. You know, might do some side skirts. Gonna do the bumper. You know, follow me, guys. Follow me.
What's your Instagram plug?
Yeah, it's at nemuri.wrx. Follow me there, and also follow these guys. Aeroflow, always killing it, man. Best in the business right now, I'm telling you. Come through.
I appreciate it, bro. All right. Thank you.
No problem.